My name is Jonathan Handford. I'm a luxury property specialist with over 20 years experience, and I've been involved in helping thousands of people move within that time. We are a local, regional, national and international agency with over 300 locations worldwide. In 2019, I was recognised as the best fine and country operator in the world. In 2020, I was appointed to the Fine and Country Board as a non-executive director. I deliver consultancy training to fine and country agents from all across the UK. And I strive to raise the bar on standards within the industry. I tell you this, not to impress you, but to impress upon you that when working with me, you're in a safe pair of hands. I specialise in selling luxury properties in the local area of Leamington Spa, Warwick, Kenilworth and the surrounding villages. And I've been a local resident my entire life. I live in Radford Semele with my wife Laura and my son Elliot. And this is the church where I got married. If you're looking to sell, I'd love to talk to you about how my bespoke strategy, built around presentation, exposure and service, can help you achieve the best possible results for your property. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.